Hello, brilliant scholars. Welcome to Learning with Avant-garde Books. I hope you are well. Today's lesson will be on the CL sound. That's right. What sound do the letters C and L make when they are together? Well, you will find out. But before we get started, I would like for you to make sure you're in a very comfortable place and you're relaxed so that you can learn about the CL sound. When the letters C and L are together, they make a unique blend, and the sound will be cla, cla, cla. There are many words in the English language where the CL sound is at the beginning, and we have many words where that sound is also in the middle, and there are a few words where the sound is at the end, but since there are not a lot, we won't go over those today. But let's look at some words where the CL sound is at the beginning. Let's start with clover. Those are the things that you see on the right. Clover, clock, clown, climb, clam, clean, claw, cloth, close or close, and claim all start with the CL sound. Now, here are a few words where the CL sound is in the middle of the word. We have cyclone, bicyclist, nuclear, acclimate, and exclude. So whenever you see the CL together, what sound do those two letters make together? You got it right. It makes the cl sound. Now, let's keep learning. Let's see how much you remember. When you see the letters C and L together, what sound do those letters make? That's right. They make the sound cl, 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 like in clover, clock, or clown. Don't forget, boys and girls, that your learning potential is limitless. You can learn anything you want to learn. Just believe and work hard. Let's get a little practice saying words with the CL sound at the beginning. First we have clock, then we have close. Repeat after me. Clock, close. What do you see on the wall? That's right, you see a clock. And what do you see on the rack? You see clothes. Remember, when you see the CL together, you will make the sound cla, cla. Two more words that start with the CL sound. We have climate and clownfish. Climate and clownfish. Because of climate changes, we're losing some of our polar bears. And then on your right, you will see a clownfish. Wow, let's see if you can say this word with the CL sound. Do you know what those are? Those are cleats. Repeat after me, cleats. You can see that there are a special shoe that athletes usually use. Football players and soccer players often wear cleats when they play their sports. Cleats starts with the CL sound. We have class and climb. Class, climb, both words start with the CL sound. Now I would like for you to repeat after me and try to say these words with the CL sound. First, class, class. You did a great job. And now we have climb. Try it one more time. Climb. You are amazing. Let's keep going. Now, boys and girls, do you recognize these words with the CL sound? First, we have cliff and we have clay pots. Cliff and clay pots, they both start with the CL sound. Let's keep going. I'm going to say each word on the screen that starts with the CL sound, and then I would like for you to repeat after me. First, we have cloth, cloth, and then we have clog, clog. Now, I want you to try those words all by yourself. Go ahead and give it a try. Bravo! You did a great job. Here are two more words that start with the CL sound. We have clean and clam. Clean and clam both start with the CL sound. Remember, when you see the C and the L together, the sound will be cla, cla, like in clean and clam. I am so proud of you. Here's another word that we use a lot in the English language that starts with the CL sound. That word is clown. Clown. You try to say it now. Great job. Clown starts with the CL sound. These two words also start with the CL sound. We have clap and we have cloud. Clap and cloud both start with the CL sound. Clap, cloud. You try them. Yay! You are brilliant. Here are two more words that start with the CL sound. We have Cleopatra and we have club. Cleopatra and club are words that start with the CL sound. Here's another word you probably have seen and heard that starts with the CL sound. That word is class. Now, you try to say the word all by yourself. Class. Great job. In this section of the video, the lesson, we're going to talk about words that have the CL sound somewhere in the middle. First, we have nuclear, and then we have cyclone. Remember, whenever you see the C and the L together, say cla, nuclear, cyclone. Now, you try those words all by yourself. Yay! You did a great job. These two words also have the CL sound somewhere in the middle. We have bicyclist and we have recline. Bicyclist and recline both have the CL sound somewhere in the middle. Now we have the words bedclothes and conclude. Bedclothes and conclude have the CL sound somewhere in the middle. Conclude is a synonym for to end. To conclude can also be to end. Great job. We have tricycle and counterclaim. Tricycle and counterclaim. One day you'll be writing these essays called argumentative essays, and you'll learn a little bit more about the counterclaim. tricycle, counterclave. Here is a nice comfortable chair called a recliner. Recliner has the CL sound somewhere in the middle. You try to say the word recliner. Scholars, these are two more words where the CL sound is somewhere in the middle. We have barnacles and we have declare. Barnacles and declare have the CL sound in the middle. Just two more words with the CL sound in the middle. We have conclave and we have uncle. Conclave and uncle have the CL sound in the middle. Amazing scholars, we have the word cyclops, which is from Greek mythology, and we have the word cubicle. Cyclops and cubicle have the CL sound in the middle. Now we have eclair and manacle. Eclair and manacle have the CL sound in the middle. Let's get some practice saying several words that start with the CL sound and words that have the CL sound somewhere in the middle. So look at column 1. I'm going to say the word, pause so you can say it, and we'll keep going. First we have clack, clad, claim, clap, clarity, class, and clue. You did a fantastic job. Now for list number 2, we have clan, clash, claw, clean, clear, cleats, and clump. Did you hear the CL sound at the beginning of those words? You did. Great job. Now look at column number 3. These are words that have the CL sound somewhere in the middle. First we have acclaim, acclimate, conclave, declaration, exclude, nuclear, and unicycle. Wow, you did a fantastic job. I cannot say enough how proud I am of you. In this next section, we're going to check for understanding, so we have a little quiz that you will be able to learn from. Let's keep going. There are two pictures there. Can you tell me which word has the CL sound? Wow, if you said clover, you got it right. Clover starts with CL. Good job. Now here's a question. Do both of these words have the CL sound? Think about that for a moment. Well, you got it right if you said yes, because cliff starts with the CL sound, and eclair has the CL sound somewhere in the middle. I am so proud of you. And out of these two words, can you guess which one has the CL sound? Well, if you said icicle, you got it right. Icicle has the CL sound somewhere in the middle. what about these two words? Which one has the CL sound? Well, if you said clam, you got it right. Clam starts with the CL sound. Remember, whenever you see the C and L together, you're going to say cla, cla, like in clam. Now, what about these two words? Well, if you said closet, the picture on the left is a closet. You got it right. It starts with CL. Closet starts with the CL sound. You are amazing. Look at the picture and think of which word would have the CL sound. Well, clock has the CL sound at the beginning. Great job. Out of these two words, do you remember which one starts with the CL sound? Great job. Clean does start with the CL sound. Wonderful, boys and girls. Here's a sentence, and you can see in this sentence there are three words that start with the CL sound. I will say the word sentence one time, and then I would like for you to say it after me. The children are cleaning out the closet after class. The children are cleaning out the closet after class. Now, I would like for you to repeat after me. The children are cleaning out the closet after class. Bravo! I am so proud of you. Beautiful children. Here is another sentence with several words that have the CL sound. I'm going to read the sentence and I'd like for you to listen. But the second time, I would like for you to repeat after me. Notice every time you see the CL, what sound the letters make. Here's the sentence. An article cleared up the declaration about Queen Cleopatra. Now, I'm going to say the sentence and then I'd like for you to repeat after me. An article cleared up the declaration about Queen Cleopatra. Great job. We're almost finished with this lesson. And I want to thank you for learning and listening and watching with Avant-garde Books. We know that you have learned what sound the C and the L make when they are together. I want you to look at your screen and say that sound. I am so proud of you. You got it right. The C and L, when they are together, they make the sound cla, cla, like in clear, clown, clover, clean. Great job. Wonderful, boys and girls. Don't forget to let us know what you learned today. We want to thank you for listening and watching and learning with us. Just let us know by emailing us. You can use the email address on your screen. Never ever forget, boys and girls, that you are amazing. You are brilliant. You are kind. You are helpful. You are generous. You are so many wonderful things. You are amazing. Wonderful scholars, this concludes our lesson on the CL sound. We hope that you will keep learning with us. Don't forget before you go to like this video, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have tons of educational videos and stories created just for you. If you're listening to this via our podcast, don't forget you can watch this video, so I'll put a link in the description box, and you can actually watch this video with beautiful images and big letters so that your children can learn. We thank you again for listening, watching, and learning with Avant-garde Books. Have a beautiful day.